Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix WhatsApp or need the official WhatsApp to use this account issue. Now if you're encountering the error message, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, or if WhatsApp is not opening, it could be due to various issues. Here are some steps how you can fix it. First thing, you can always check for an internet connection. So sometimes because of a poor or unstable internet connection, you might be able to see this kind of issues. So what you need to do is you can simply enable or turn on your flight mode for 20 seconds. After that you can disable it, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. Apart from it, you can also update your application. For that you need to go to your Play Store, and then on the search box type in WhatsApp, and instead of open, if you see update, which indicates you'll need to update your application. After updating your application, this might be able to fix the issue all at once. And if you're still encountering this issue, what else you can do is you can also clear cache. For that you need to go to your WhatsApp and long press on it, click on the app info icon and go to storage and cache. Here you can just clear cache as well as clear storage if you want to do it so. After that, try login into your account, and that might be able to fix it. While you're on this page, if you're still unable to fix it, you can also force stop WhatsApp for a certain time, and after that you can just disable it and you might be able to fix it. Apart from it, sometimes the issue might not be on the application, but the issue might be on the device itself. So you can simply restart your device and you can just check it. And after that you can also enable your permissions, such as go to your app info page, and here make sure that you've enabled all of these, and that should be able to fix the issue. If none of these seems to be working, you can directly get help of a customer support team. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to contact them by SMS or maybe phone call, and after that state about issues or the reason. Now please be aware that specific error messages you're encountering may require unique troubleshooting steps, and solution provided here are general remedies only. So basically these were the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp not opening on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.